I'm day 2 post-op hair transplant with Dr. Alexander at the Toronto Hair Transplant Surgeons. I had a great night's sleep actually, so that was nice. One word of advice is to cover your pillow with something. They did give me this to put on the pillow, and it was useful as there was some bleeding that happened overnight. So just to protect your pillows. And I also just finished doing my daily soak. So I misted my head where the grafts are for 10 minutes. You can probably see it's still a bit glistening right now. But yeah, not too many changes from yesterday. As you can see, it looks kind of the same. And yeah, everything's been going well. Pain is minimal. Just at the sides of the head where they had harvested and then just below where they had implanted, it's a little bit painful. Nothing major. I haven't had to take any pain medication or anything. And I've been getting daily texts from the clinic letting me know when I can start doing things. So today I think I'm actually going to go out to the store and wear a cap. So I'll let you know how that goes tomorrow. But so far, day 2 has been good.